When it's smoky outside, it's best to stay indoors with windows and doors closed. Even then, smoke can enter your home. If you have a forced air HVAC system, find out what kind of filters it uses. To filter smoke, it is recommended to use a filter with a MERV rating of at least 13 and the deepest pleat your system can handle. But not all systems may work with these filters. Check the manufacturer's requirements or consult an HVAC system specialist. Be sure to change the filter when it's dirty, which will be more often when it's smoky outside. Whether you have an HVAC system or a window air conditioning unit, you should switch the intake setting from fresh air intake to recirculate so you don't bring in smoky air. The same is true of your vehicle's air conditioner. For more information, visit these partner agency websites.